I decided to draw Luffy after 1 year, and let's see how it turns out. So I started drawing the face outline with pencil. Here I'm using a 4B pencil, but you can use whatever pencil you want to. Just make sure you don't press down too hard and make sure your pencil isn't too dark, because otherwise the whole drawing will be messed up when you're trying to erase all the pencil marks later on. Now with his hair, it's very curly and very spiky, so you can pretty much just freestyle it and style it the way you want to. As long as he still looks like Luffy though. Now when it comes to his body, you can also notice that in the anime, he's quite well toned. So over here, after you've drawn the scar, you can also try drawing some muscles like how I've done it. Now I'm getting on to coloring. With the coloring, I'm using acrylic markers, but you can also use brush pens or color pencils or whatever type of coloring material you want to. Or you could just leave it as it is and just shade it in.
These beats are the purest. Roll it, roll it.
So as I got onto shading, for some reason I used the wrong brown color. And if you have noticed, it is not the kind of brown which will work for Luffy's face. And yet for some reason I continued on with it. We'll color that in later on. Notice the way I filled in gaps. Now over here I'm using a red color for his scar and his eyes. So then I used a white marker to get onto the hair. So I don't know if y'all can really see it because of my camera quality, but I'm pretty sure it made a difference in coloring, even though I'm not that sure of it. Then I took a grey color and started highlighting the shadows. I first got into the smoke shadows and then I went on to his main hair. As I started doing the eyebrows and after I finished the main hair, I did something which may or may not have spoiled the full drawing. I colored in his teeth. Nevertheless, I continued and worked on highlighting his scar and his ribbon, I guess that's what you call it. Then I moved on to coloring his straw hat. After I finished coloring in his straw hat, I took my brown color and I colored over the color which was on his skin earlier. And it looks much better now. Yeah. But I still didn't know what to do with the teeth highlights. I'll need to think about that. And then it came to me in all its glory and whiteness. I'll just use my white marker pen to color over it. Now I don't know if this really made it better or made it look worse. Why don't you all tell me in the comments? Then I moved on to outlining his face. Over here I used a black gel pen, but y'all can use whatever pen y'all want. I wasn't sure if it would smudge, but it turns out it didn't. Y'all can use a fine liner pen or a ball pen if y'all want to make it more detailed, but I stuck to my trusted gel pen. There on out, it was mostly just me outlining the full thing. When it came to his chest, I wasn't sure what to do, so I just relined it and gave him muscles. Then I raised whatever was extra after that. And I was pretty much done after that.